In this guide, we're going over how you can dash behind someone in the Strongest Battlegrounds. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, one of the most effective movement techniques in the game is dashing behind your opponent, and this is often called a loop dash or a side dash wrap, and it's used to get around an opponent, specifically their block, so that you can hit them from behind. To do it, essentially run towards your opponent by holding the movement joystick forward. Once you're close to them, tap the dash button, and as your character does move through the opponent's hitbox, quickly swipe your camera horizontally to turn your character around. The moment your camera finishes turning, press the punch button to attack, and if timed correctly, you'll end up behind your opponent, allowing your attack to connect even when they're blocking from the front. Another technique you can do is called the C dash. Essentially, what you need to go ahead and do is, curve around your opponent instead of going straight through them. To do this, essentially aim slightly to the side while moving your camera towards the opponent. While doing that, go ahead and dash, and then of course perform a little C attack, kind of curving out and then inwards just like so, and punching just like this. Now, both of these methods are obviously situational, so you will need to practice them quite a bit depending on how your opponent is moving and reacting. But once you do get the timing down, the technique becomes very effective and a great way to break blocks and combos. But that is how you could dash behind someone here in the Strongest Battlegrounds. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace. But what are these people talking about?